Hi there, are you having trouble with unknown USB device inside of Windows? Don't worry about it, I'm going to show you some steps that you can do to try to resolve this problem. Now for the first step, check that the USB device that you are using is in perfect condition. And with this I mean that the cable doesn't have any kinks, that inside of it doesn't have any dust, and that everything is perfectly connected. When you have done that, you can try to connect it to different ports on your PC. Try to see that if in a different port, your PC will recognize it. After you have done that and you still have that error code, the next thing that you can do is try to update Windows and the device itself. Now, to update Windows, you want to right-click into the Start button, go into Settings. Inside of Settings, you want to go where you see on the left side Windows Update. Click on it, and right here you want to click into Check for Updates. If you see any update available, what you want to do is to install them. Now for the devices, right-click once more into the Start button and open the Device Manager. Inside of here, you're going to see a lot of different things, but what we're looking for is this right here, Universal Serial Bus Controllers and Universal Serial Bus Devices. There is where you're going to see the unknown USB device. Right-click into the device where you're having trouble, and then click into Update Driver. If after you have done that, and this has not found any driver updates, you can try to uninstall the device, turn off your computer, turn it back on, and to see if Windows automatically install the drivers for this. Another thing that you can try to do is to see if the manufacturer of the product USB that you want to use have a driver available for them on the website. So I recommend you guys that you look at the brand, go to their website, and then look for drivers for the specific model that you're using. The last option, try this USB device with another PC to check that it's not damaged. If you can connect to that device and not to your PC, maybe it's a heavier problem, maybe you will need to reinstall Windows. I don't really think so. And these are all the steps that normally are going to work to fix that problem for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is more than welcome. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.